my death is an exaggeration. Now, I've been a writer for 20 years, and an ass for 55. It's been said there are two men in the world who are most remarkable. Kipling is one, and I'm the other. Now, I'd like to share with you some philosophies and observations I've acquired over the past few years. It is better to keep your mouth shut and appear stupid than to open it and remove all doubt. Never put off until tomorrow what you can just as easily put off until the day after tomorrow. Well, I'd like to leave you with these words of philosophy which I think are most important. Always do right. This will gratify some people and astonish the rest. Thank you.
One of my restaurants is on a farm, so I work with these farmers, these brilliant farmers, pretty much every day, and so I'm learning all about the from seed to harvest. And so then the question becomes, when there's a carrot in front of me and I've followed the seed all the way through the composting and the weeding and the sort of the brilliance of the growth, and then it comes to the kitchen. So what am I supposed to do to the carrot that would be better than what the farmer has done since the moment it was planted? And that is a very humbling thing, actually, to be involved with that. So we're into this, and I think why chefs have been at the forefront of this movement is not just to help out the farmer, although I'm sure that's a drive for many people, as it is for me, but it's the challenge of getting a whole animal and figuring out, how do you make this delicious? And as we know of any profession, that challenge is important, and a driver towards creativity, and a driver towards perfection in an art that is endlessly interesting. It's a craft, an art. So this is a knowledge that we've lost over the last generation or two, and that we need to get back to. So I think what the beauty of the question is that you can't answer it from just the diner's point of view. You can't answer it just from the farmer's point of view. You can't answer it just from the chef. This is a cultural phenomenon that we've lost this ingredient to caring for the health of the land. That's what it comes down to. And so we've got to figure out in this movement how to eat animals, but eat it in a way that is more humble and more respectful of the ecological conditions of where you live. And that's always going to mean eating the entire animal. It's always going to be eating less meat. It's just not not continuing with the Western conception of what that meat is. That's why you look at all these great cuisines of the world. Asian, Chinese cuisine, for one, comes quickly to mind, where meat is a component of the dish. It's never how we serve steaks and lamb chops. And we are coming to the understanding that our idea is a lost idea. I think it's exciting for the future. It's not an end to something that is worth celebrating. It's the end to blandness. And the future is quite delicious because, as I just got through saying, those cuts of meat that we've been ignoring are more delicious. And the challenge for the chef and for the person who cooks at home, the diner who cooks at home, it's a very exciting and delicious future.